Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Maserati Quattroporte versus Ferrari models. To understand which is better for you, consider their distinct philosophies. Maserati provides a luxurious, comfortable ride with ample power, suitable for daily driving and long journeys. Ferrari, on the other hand, delivers an uncompromised, exhilarating performance experience designed for the track and spirited driving. Your choice depends on your priorities. When it comes to performance, Ferrari often boasts superior horsepower and quicker 0 to 60 times, sometimes under 3 seconds. Maserati's Quattroporte, while powerful with engines producing over 500 horsepower, focuses on a balanced blend of speed and comfort. Ferrari's driving experience is more aggressive and track-oriented, whereas Maserati offers a sophisticated, engaging drive that is also enjoyable for everyday use. For luxury and practicality, the Maserati Quattroporte excels. It provides a spacious cabin with premium materials, comfortably seating 4 adults, and offers a generous trunk for luggage. Ferrari models, conversely, are typically 2-seaters with a focus on the driver's cockpit, prioritizing performance over passenger space or cargo capacity. If daily usability and passenger comfort are key, the Quattroporte is a clear winner. Regarding cost and value, the Maserati Quattroporte typically starts at a lower price, often around $100,000, making it more accessible. Ferrari models, however, usually begin at a much higher price, often exceeding $250,000. Both brands incur significant maintenance costs due to their specialized engineering. While Ferrari might hold a higher percentage of its value, the initial investment for a Maserati is considerably less, offering excellent luxury for the price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.